Hello guys, welcome back for another video of How to Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator over here showing that the oil maintenance is required. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of it. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, when we start this Toyota Corolla 2024, this one is in hybrid, this indicator pops up. Go to the settings area, press the OK button, then find by pressing this button over here. Press OK to enter settings, then go to vehicle settings, press and hold the OK button to enter the vehicle settings area. Find the oil maintenance, press OK to reset. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure about this. Press yes. Reset complete. Do the check by turning the ignition off and the ignition back on and starting the car, and you'll see that the indicator doesn't show anymore. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.